Hi, my name is Dunya. I'm the Academic Manager at OKTOPI and here to help you navigate the platform from a student point of view. So if you log into your student account and you would like to see the classes that you are enrolled in, simply click on the classes icon on the left side of the page on the vertical column. I can see that I am enrolled in 2 active classes. The first being an open class, meaning self-paced. This class does not have a duration and I can complete the material inside at my own pace. Whereas the second class by a different teacher has a specific duration and the lessons and material assigned are according to a specific date, and this might include some live sessions. If I would like to see the activities inside this class, I can see the resources that are due today, as well as any events scheduled for me by the educator, and I can access my student library at any time and view the material that has been assigned inside. Under my class, I can see the name of my teacher, press the chat button to discuss with her anything at any time, also my classmates, and I can chat with them and see how they are feeling today. If I would like to view a certain resource, all I need to do is press on the resource. I can see the class name, the teacher, I can read the instructions as well as view all the material inside. I see that my teacher here has uploaded a photograph as well as 2 videos and an explanation for the lesson. If I would like to upload anything, simply press on attach and comment. Next to assignments, you're going to see the option add file. If we click on this, I can attach anything that the teacher required me to attach. I can also leave a comment in the form of a text, an attachment, or a voice note. I see that there is 1 day remaining for me to complete this resource. I also see that this lesson is tied to 3 objectives. If I click on the word objectives, I can view the objectives that the teacher has linked to this resource, showing me what it is I'm going to learn and how I will be assessed according to which objectives. I can also leave a rating by clicking on my rating, giving the teacher a rating out of 5 stars on the material that I had just gone over, explaining if I liked the lesson, I can click yes, and if I understood the lesson. So, after filling in my comments, I simply press rate. Now, after I have done the material, all I need to do is press mark as done and the teacher will be notified that I have completed this resource and I can await my score if I should be scored.